Welcome to all of you, my dear students. This is Rajiv Kumar Behra, working as assistant professor in the Department of Agricultural Extension and Communication. Today, in this class, we will know the syllabus of Human Value Ethics course. So, let's start our discussion. So, your course title is your Human Value and Ethics. It is 1 plus 0 course according to your ICR 15 committee syllabus. Okay, so what we'll study in this course we'll know today in details. We'll have to get that some basic idea what we are actually going to read in this course. I think all of you know that the meaning of 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 means 1 theory and 0 practical. Okay, in a week. Okay, so let's see the syllabus in details. First one is your value and ethics. An introduction. Okay, so here in this first chapter we will read the value and ethics. What are the concepts related to it? We will know in details in this first chapter. Second one is your goal and mission of life. Okay, so here in the second chapter we will read what? Goal and mission of life. Then come to the third one, third chapter, principles and philosophy. In the third chapter, we'll read and know and clarify what is principles, what do you mean by philosophy. Okay, next in the fourth chapter, self exploration. In the fourth chapter, we will know how to explore yourself. Okay, in details we will read while we will study this chapter. Okay, next, fifth one, self awareness. Okay, then here in this fifth chapter we'll know the aware about new technology, new things, how it will be possible by yourself. Okay, then sixth one is your self satisfaction. So next in sixth chapter, it is your self satisfaction. Self satisfaction means yourself you are satisfied. you no need to you have no need to depend on others. You will be independent and you can satisfy yourself. Okay, so in this chapter we'll go in details about this self satisfaction. Then 7.1 decision making. Here in this 7th chapter we'll read decision making. Decision making is nothing but choosing the best alternative from or among several alternatives. You have so many things, you have so many alternatives, but you have to choose only one. Then you have to select the best one. Just like you have selected the agriculture among other departments. Okay, so here it is your decision making. Next, come to the 8th number chapter, that is your motivation. Here we'll read in details about motivation, where you'll get idea about self motivation, outside motivation, how other can motivate you, and how you yourself can motivated. Okay, so all things will read in this chapter. Okay, come to the next one, 9 number chapter, that is your sensitivity. Okay, here we will discuss about sensitivity in this 9th chapter. Next, come to the 10th one, that is your success. I think all of you know what is the meaning of the success. Okay, next come to the 11th number chapter, that is your selfless service. In this chapter, in 11th chapter, we will know about this selfless service in details. Not to be worried, everything will read in details. Okay, 12, come to the 12 number chapter, case study of ethical lives. We will see the case study, some case studies of related to your ethical lives. Okay, next in 12, after 12th chapter, come to the 13th number chapter, that is your positive spirit. Okay, in this chapter we will know in details about your positive spirit. Keep in mind that you have to first know what you have to read. You have to keep total syllabus in your mind, then only you can go inside it. Otherwise you can not able to even know what is in your syllabus and what you are reading, that you should know first. Next, come to the 14th number chapter, body, mind and soul. Body, mind and soul. Okay, then come to the 15th chapter, it is your attachment and detachment. Okay, so here in the 15th chapter we will know what is attachment and detachment. Okay, Next come to the 16th one, that is your spirituality quotient. Okay, in the 16th chapter we will know spirituality quotient, and 17th one is your examination. So this is your syllabus of your human value and ethics course. Okay, first try to remember all these syllabus courses and try to find and read yourself. Most of the chapter you will find that you yourself can get the idea about all subjects, not only this course, not only this human value and ethics course. You, if you explore Google or any other site, then you can search in Google is a search engine. Here you can search everything. YouTube is a search engine also. YouTube, you will get different courses are also available there. Everything you can, your idea will, your doubt will be cleared there. So you can search in YouTube, you can search in Google, and you can read yourself, and you can clear your doubt yourself. That is the best thing to know something. As much as you search, as much as you read, as much as your doubt will be clear. So this is the fundamental thing you should know first. Okay, so likewise you can read other subjects syllabus and try to remember those first. Okay, so today we are this much only, and I am finishing this class today. Okay, so thank you for listening. Have a good day. If any doubt, you can ask in the chat box, or you can message me or call me. Okay, so thank you. Have a good day.